Doing good, I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to connect domain with Hostinger in Shopify. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify store, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Settings in the bottom left-hand corner. After selecting Settings, I want you to scroll down and you're going to select Domains. After selected domains, you're going to tap on Connect Existing Domain. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you're going to paste in the domain name that you would like to connect it to. So you can quickly go into Hostinger. And for example, I will be using this domain name. So I'm going to simply copy the domain name and paste it in Shopify. After you have added the name, you'll tap on Next. Then from here, you can see there are a few steps that you'll need to follow. And all you'll need to do is, once on Hostinger, you're going to tap on Manage beside the domain that you're using. Then you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and tap on DNS/name servers. Once on this page, I want you to scroll down. And at the moment, you can see the CNAME right here. I want you to delete that. So you're going to tap on Delete. And another thing that you'll also need to delete by scrolling down, you're going to delete the A name. So you're going to tap on Delete beside that. Then you're going to scroll back up. And after scrolling back up, you're going to simply tap. You can tap right where you see A. And for example, after selecting A, you're going to go into the description. And you're going to simply copy this that I'll be leaving. So you're going to copy the @ and you're also going to copy this IP address. So we're going to go back into Hostinger and you can see @ right there. You leave it as is, and right where you see points to, you're going to paste in the Shopify IP address. Then you're going to tap on Add Record. After you have tapped on Add Record, you're going to tap on Type once more. Then you're going to select CNAME. After selecting CNAME, you're going to simply paste in shops.myshopify.com. So you're going to copy this, then go back into Hostinger. And from there, you're going to type in the target. And you're going to change the @ to www. Then you're going to tap on Add Record. After you have tapped on Add Record, all you'll need to do now is go back into Shopify. Once in Shopify, you can select Verify Connection. Some of the time, it may take a few seconds to verify, but you can see that the website has now been added, or better yet, the URL has now been added, as you can see right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.